Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Quicken for personal budgeting. Quicken is a powerful tool that helps you manage your finances by tracking your income and expenses, creating a budget, and setting financial goals. To get started, you will need to download and install Quicken on your computer. First, launch Quicken and create a new file by selecting the option to start from scratch. You will be prompted to enter some basic information, such as your name and address. Next, you will need to set up your accounts, including your checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and investments. You can add accounts manually or import them from your bank's website. Once your accounts are set up, you will need to categorize your transactions. Quicken allows you to create custom categories, such as housing, transportation, and entertainment. You can also set up subcategories to further track your spending. For example, under the housing category, you can create subcategories for rent, utilities, and maintenance. After categorizing your transactions, you can create a budget. Quicken allows you to set budget targets for each category and subcategory. You can also set financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off debt. Quicken will track your progress and provide you with alerts and reminders to help you stay on track. To get the most out of Quicken, it is essential to regularly update your accounts and transactions. You can do this by manually entering transactions or by setting up automatic downloads from your bank's website. Quicken also offers mobile apps that allow you to track your finances on the go. In addition to tracking your spending and creating a budget, Quicken also offers tools to help you manage your investments and reduce debt. You can track your investment portfolios and receive alerts when your investments reach certain milestones. Quicken also offers debt reduction plans and tools to help you pay off high-interest debt. By following these steps and using Quicken regularly, you can gain a better understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions about your money. Remember to regularly review and update your budget and financial goals to ensure you are on track to achieving financial stability. With Quicken, you can take control of your finances and achieve your long-term financial goals.